Hi everyone, once again you are welcome in my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to tell you that how you can learn this language step by step. So everything in this video I want to tell you that also you can learn, you can speak this language, English language. All of you know that English is an international language, is spoken all over the world. That's why it is the very important for everyone. If you know this language, then easily you can connect with the people all over the world. So we must learn this language. If you follow these rules, definitely you can learn. So at first you start listening. If you understand everything after listening, then you start practicing whatever you listen. Then try to speak. So in my life, I started only speaking at first, speaking. So whatever I knew that thing I was repeating every day because I wanted to learn this language. I wanted to speak this language. That's why I started only speaking. Then after I started listening, day by day my listening was good, so I was easy to understand anything. Then I started talking with the people. I few people I talked, but it was good experience for me because I wanted to learn this language. I was so happy that I am learning this language. So I made a friend. I talked approximately 2 3 months continuously with him. I enjoyed over there because it was my first language. That's why both were so exciting. Both were talking every day, different kinds of topic we are discussing. So we were so happy how to learn this language. So in this video, I will tell that if you want to learn this language, you must know tense and modals and preposition. If you learn this chapter, then easily you can able to speak English. There's no doubt. So you must learn this chapter. You need only not hi-fi grammar, means all the rules. At first, if you want to learn, at first you complete tense, modals and prepositions. Then after you can speak. Your mind will come lots of questions. Then you can give reply. If you don't have partner, you start self-talking yourself. Then you will find where you are doing mistakes. So it will take time, but if you do this kind of practice, so one day your English will be okay. So you have to continue your journey speaking and listening. You every day do. So definitely one day your English will be better. So you followed. I have been trying this language for last 13 years. But that time I didn't have any kinds of source that time. But I continue my journey. So still now I'm continue this journey. I'm learning new things. I'm trying to speak new things related to spoken English. Yes, in these days I am enjoying. Earlier time I was getting bored while speaking, talking, but in this time my understanding is good. So that's why in this time I am feeling so happy. I'm feeling free. In this time, no any kinds of pressure in mind while speaking. In this time, I'm not thinking how to translate into English. I'm not translating directly. I'm speaking whatever mind is going on. I am able to speak. That's why nowadays I'm feeling so free. If you speak every day, so then your mind will come different kinds of area. You have to speak every day, whatever you know, try to speak. So definitely one day your English will be better. So you have to continue your journey, speaking and listening journey. You listen much more, and you speak much more. You speak. If you do this kind of practice, definitely you can learn. It's not so hard. At first, beginning time, you will find it is very hard. But after practicing, long time after, you feel it's very easy. It's very easy like your native language. So every day you have to practice. Practice man makes a perfect. All of you know that. So there's no any shortcut. You just speaking practice you do and listening practice. Every single day you try to listen, try to speak. Definitely you can able to speak this language without any kind of pressure. You just start speaking. In this time I'm feeling so happy because I know this language. I understand properly. That's why I can communicate with the people. In this time I have no fearness. Before time I used to have fearness. I used to be like shy person. I was not talking with people. In this time after learning this language, easily I can connect with the people. I talk with the people. I am feeling so happy. So if you want to learn this language, you must follow speaking and reading, listening. If you want to learn more things, then you have to start reading. Reading through, you can learn new things, new vocabs, new structure you can learn. So definitely then you start writing. You whatever you know, try to write. whatever you have knowledge, so you can writing through, you can keep in your mind what you want to say, you can write, you can learn new things. So okay, in this video I don't want to make long video, so you follow this thing definitely. You're in this video. Okay, okay, till now, bye.